Okay, this is a quick video on how to install a stereo into an R32 without bypassing the factory amp. So this is with using the stock plugs, and there's the amp, still plugged in, no wires have been cut, and the same in the doors. They're just using the stock wires in there. So here's the wire colours. There's a couple of double ups. So we've got black white stripe for the left front and a black white stripe for the left rear. Same with these ones, brown, a couple of double ups. So yeah, obviously you got your yellow to yellow, constant 12 volt, red to blue, so ignition, so when you turn the key on you should see 12 volt at this one here. There's a couple of these just straight blue wires as well, so you just have to go around with the multimeter and just check. And then this wire here, grey, red stripe, is for the power to the amp. So if you wire in all of these, all the speaker wires, but you don't have this connected, the rear speakers are going to be underpowered and it'll be really quiet. So you want to hook that up, and that's just your like a remote for like a sub amplifier. And all of these colors are for a Sony head unit. That's it there. So these ones here, these are the front. These are the wires for the front speakers. So these ones here. And the front and back wires are all the same color. So you'll just have to figure out where those come from. All of my plugs were all butchered from the previous owner, so I've got no idea where they actually came from, but you know, that one would assume that they're paired together. So you know, these four here will probably be the front or the rear. That's probably the rear actually on that 6-pin, because it's got the amp power, so that plug is probably the rear. And this one here, see these ones here, they're all the same color, so I would assume that those are the front, with that one there possibly being your ignition 12 volt, and then you've obviously got your yellow wire there, constant 12 volt, and then your speaker wires here. That one is that plug, and these are unused in my application. So I got that one there with a bunch of different wires on it. And this one here is for your FM AM tune buttons, so that's the colors for them there. So if you have the ability to hook that into your head unit, you can use those. What else? Yeah, obviously you've got your ground wire just to wherever, black ground wire. But yeah, that took me a while to stuff around with the multimeter to try and figure this all out, but it's all going now. And I couldn't find anything on the forums that matched my car. So this one is a 1993 gts-t. So yeah, hopefully this helps at least one person. Cheers.